Hi, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Things 3 mobile app works. Things 3 is a task management and productivity app designed for iOS users who want a clean, organized way to plan their day, set goals, and manage ongoing projects. Developed by Cultured Code, the app focuses on simplicity and efficiency, blending intuitive design with powerful organization tools. In Things 3, users can create tasks, group them into projects, and schedule them using the built-in today, upcoming, and anytime views. The app supports checklists, tags for filtering, and deadlines for prioritizing important items. It also includes a feature called the Magic Plus button, which lets users quickly add tasks or notes from anywhere within the app. Things 3 syncs across iPhone, iPad, and Mac using the Things Cloud service, ensuring that updates stay consistent across devices. The pros of Things 3 include its elegant interface, fast performance, and flexible task organization system. Users appreciate the visual clarity and lack of clutter, making it easy to focus on what matters. The ability to break down tasks into sub-items and group them into projects is also praised. On the downside, the app requires a one-time purchase for each platform like iPhone, iPad, and Mac, which some users find expensive. Additionally, it doesn't support collaboration or shared tasks, which may be a limitation for teams. Based on recent user feedback, many enjoy how the app encourages productivity without feeling overwhelming. Users report that the intuitive layout helps them manage both personal and work-related tasks with ease. However, a few noted that they'd appreciate more integration options with other calendar or reminder tools. In summary, Things 3 is ideal for individuals who want a premium, distraction-free productivity app that helps keep tasks organized. It's especially suited for solo planners, students, and professionals looking for structure and clarity in their daily routines. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.